Hello, this is Val Golufsky, and I want to welcome you to an overview of the adoption through field services outcome chain. A very common service business challenge within the field service discipline is what are the best practices for driving adoption and upselling to premium maintenance and support tiers? Resolving this business challenge has impact on a couple of very important financial results, company and service revenue growth, as well as total company and services revenue. The operating KPIs are key performance indicators that will predict or ensure that you will achieve these financial results. The next link row includes practices that, when implemented, have been found to improve the operating KPIs. The following two link rows identify the roles involved in implementing these practices, as well as the technology platforms that will support your implementation. Lastly, we list the organizational capabilities that you will need to build into your organization in order to consistently achieve the desired results. Within the outcome chain, there are a number of connections that show important cause and effect relationships. These connections are shown here. I'll highlight a few of them just to give you an idea on how to use the connections. For instance, contract renewal rates are a very important KPI to improve within this outcome chain. What we found through our research is that there are a number of practices that, when implemented by the field service engineer and support of the knowledge management platform, can contribute to significant improvements in contract renewal rate. Things like assessing the customer's utilization of your product while on site, conducting feature reviews, soliciting enhancements, as well as capturing good and bad performance through success science and your knowledge management platform have all been shown to contribute to improved contract renewal rates. Now that I've provided a broad overview of the outcome chain, let's take a look at how you can use this outcome chain to drive improvement in your business. Now, in order to drive customer adoption, it's important to establish how to assess effective adoption. So let's take a look at the link that talks about these ratings. In the attachment, we have a connection to the TSIA Adoption Framework research paper. In this paper, we list 6 attributes that will enable you to gauge whether a customer has low, high, or effective adoption of your technology offering. Once you've established what successful adoption is and how to measure it, a pacesetter practice is to document how your field service engineers can support this effort. Within the documented layer process link, we can click on the layer model itself and note that field services has an expanded role in adoption, expand, and renewal activities. For many field service organizations, this represents a change to their charter. As a result, you may need additional training, and we've listed an example from the case study. Helping field service engineers move beyond the break-fix incident itself and to use that as an opportunity to spot adoption service opportunities is a critical success factor. Also in the link, we provided access to 2 conference presentations that are very relevant. The first one is an adoption case study that shows how a field service member was able to leverage field service employees, and the second is a field service layer process that showed how a number of activities resulted in increased services revenue growth. And finally, when we look at the service capabilities, I want to point out one in particular, and that's consumption analytics. This service capability is critically important to adoption. By looking at this, what it describes is the ability to analyze actual customer usage data to determine new service and product offerings, and it's highly leverageable. When we look at the attachment tab and look at the related service business challenges, you can see this capability is highly leverageable and is used in supporting many common business challenges seen in the industry. So that provides a quick overview of the adoption through field services outcome chain. Let us know what you think, and good luck on your business transformation efforts.